Okay. So, which body parts help you in listening? Okay, I can see one hand, two hands. Those who know the answer, they can raise their hand. Okay, Manik, tell me the answer, bache. Loudly. Ear. Very good. So, ears, they help you in listening. Okay. Kuhu Singh, how many ears do we have? Kuhu Singh, unmute.
One,
How?
two,
Only Kuhu Singh. मैं जिसको पूछूंगी सिर्फ वही बच्चे बताएंगे. How many ear do we have? How many? कितने? Two. Sure? पक्का? किसी के 3 ears तो नहीं है? किसी के पास 3 ear तो नहीं है? है? किसके पास है 3? Two. Yes. So we have 2 ears and they help us in listening. Okay? Chalo. Now I will say rub. You have to rub your hands. When I'm saying slow, you have to go slow. When I'm saying fast, you have to go fast. And then you have to keep your hands on your eyes. ठीक है? फिर आपको वो hands अपने eyes पे रखते हैं. चलो, start. Rub. Rub, 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 rub. Rub, 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 rub. Put on your eyes. Put on your eyes. Now slowly remove. Slowly, slowly hatao. Slowly, slowly. One more time. One more time. Rub. जब आपका hand गरम हो जाता है, सबके hands गरम हुए? Yes? Yes? So when it is hot, then put them on your eyes. Start. Rub, 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 rub. Put on your eyes. Put on your eyes. Eyes. Slowly remove your eyes. Sorry, slowly remove your hands. Okay. Now you can see me. Give me a thumbs up if you can see me. Yes? Okay. When you were putting your hands, जब आपके hands आप रख रहे थे, you were able to see me? Yes or no? जब आपने hands रखे थे? No. Yes? So which body parts help you in seeing? आपको देखने में कौन सा body part help कर रहा है? Tavishi will answer. Tavishi, tell me. Which body parts help you in seeing? बताओ बच्चे, कौन सा बॉडी पार्ट आपको देखने में हेल्प करता है?
eyes.
Eyes. Very good. And how many eyes we have? How many? How many? मतलब कितना? ठीक है? 2. Yes. Good. Very good. Okay. When I am asking something, जब मैं आपको पूछती हूँ तो आप if you are आपको नहीं समझ आता है तो आप मुझसे पूछ सकते हो. ठीक है? मम्मा will not tell you the answer. Okay? Because स्कूल में मम्मा नहीं जाएंगी. Yes, मम्मा जाती हैं आपके साथ स्कूल? No. Then if you are not getting, अगर आपको कोई question समझ नहीं आता है, you can ask me. Okay? चलो. Now we have done ears. Ear help us in listening, to hear something, कुछ सुनने के लिए. And eyes, eyes help us to see, देखने के लिए. ठीक है? Okay. Now just imagine, आप सोचो कि आपके घर पे आज मैगी बनी है. मैगी. You all like to eat Maggie? Yes? Yes. Double thumbs up everybody is giving. Yes. So, आपके घर पे बनी है मैगी एंड यू आर सिटिंग इन अ रूम और आपको उसकी एक अच्छी सी खुशबू आती है, एक नाइस फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ मैगी. Yes, you come to know that mama is making Maggie. So, which body parts helps you in smelling? In smelling. Which body part? Okay. Samarth will answer. Samarth, tell me, bache. Unmute. Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Which body part?
Bolo.
What is this? Nose. Yes, you have to speak. Nose. Nose helps us to smell. Okay. Nose helps us to smell. Okay, I'm writing also. First we have done ear. Ear. Number two. Number two. Eye. Number three. Nose. Okay, we can smell with the help of nose. You can see the board. आपको board clear है? Yes or no? Okay, fine. So we can smell with the help of nose. Okay. Now, if I give you chili. Chili, you have seen green chili? Yes. If I give you chili to eat. Okay. मैं आपको अपने घर पे बुलाऊंगी and I will say, eat this chili. You will come to my house? No. But if I give you chocolate, you will come to my house? No, Manik is saying no. Manik, you will not come for chocolate. Okay, I'll give you something else. I'll give you fruits. Okay, so if you are eating chili, अगर आप chili खाते हो, आपको मिर्ची लगती. Yes, if we eat chocolate or we eat fruits or we eat sweets, मिठाई, so हमें कैसा लगता है? मीठा. Yes, so which body parts helps you in tasting? Taste. Okay, who will answer? Janvi. Tell me, Janvi. Which body part?
Tongue.
Tongue. Very good. Tongue helps us in tasting. With the help of tongue, you can taste. If you eat lemon, lemon कैसा होता है? खट्टा. Yes? कैसे पता चलता है हमें? With the help of tongue. So tongue help us in tasting. Okay? Yes? Okay, fine. Now, just do one thing. हल्के से, slowly, pinch yourself. Pinch. Slowly, pinch. Pinch. Okay. You are feeling? आपको pinch feel हुआ? कुछ लगा यहाँ पे? Yes. So which organ is helping us to feel? हमें कैसे feel हुआ? With the help of, okay, who will tell? Aradhya. Aradhya, tell me. हाँ जी. Which body part? Which organ? What is this?
Sing.
Skin. Very good. It is skin. So, skin helps us to feel. Agar, if you get a glass of milk, mama has given you a glass of milk and you are feeling hot. Okay, you feel that glass is hot. So, आपने कैसे feel किया? With the help of skin. Okay, so we can feel with the help of our skin. Now, how many we have done? 5. So, these are 5 sense organs. What are the 5 sense organs? Now speak with me. मेरे साथ बोलो. Mama will listen. On your fingers. Okay. Number 1, ear.
Ear.
Number 2, eyes.
Eye.
Number 3, nose.
Nose.
Number 4, tongue.
Tongue.
Number 5, skin.
Skin.
Done? What are these? ये क्या है? 5 sense organs. हमारे कितने sense organs होते हैं? 5. Okay?
Eye. Nose.
There-
Ear. Skin.
tongue. Okay? Eyes, ears, nose, skin, tongue. Done, everyone? Any confusion? Okay? Now, other than बच्चे, I think there is some network issue आपकी साइड से. Okay, so these are sense organs. If I talk about, I am writing with my Anaisha. Tell me, बच्चे. Unmute. सक्षम, I will ask one by one. ठीक है? मैं सबको पूछूंगी. Just wait. Hand. Okay? So I can write with my hand. Okay. Okay, Saksham, tell me. I am walking with my.
I'm walking with.
I am walking. Leg. Very good. Mic on mute. Okay. Okay. Mic on mute, bache. Keep your mic on mute, everyone. Okay, Janvi. Mama wears a beautiful necklace in her. Mama wears beautiful necklace in her. Mama, it's neck. Very good. Okay. Okay. Manik. We comb you comb your hair. Very good. Hair. Okay. Okay. Aradhya. Ma'am puts lipstick on her.
Lips.
What is this?
Lips से बोलो.
Door say loudly.
Lips.
Lips. Very good. Lips. Okay.
लगाते समय तो आपको नहीं आती है.
Nice.
जैसे
So
कि कुछ
there are more body parts. I will be showing you one worksheet. But why I have written, ये मैंने क्यों लिखे हैं? ये सब हमारे body parts हैं. Okay? These all are our body parts. But if somebody is asking you, अगर आपको कोई पूछता है कि tell me the sense organs. So there are only 5 sense organs. Don't get confused. Body parts और sense organ में confuse नहीं होना. Okay? Sense organ help us to have feel. Okay? So there are only 5 sense organ: ear, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. Body parts बहुत सारे. Okay? Arms, elbow, foot, fingers, okay, stomach, neck, ये सब body parts. But if we are talking about sense organs, only 5 sense organs are there. Clear everyone? Any confusion? किसी को कोई confusion है? Okay, great. Just wait. Now, Now we'll discuss about yourself, myself, and my family. Okay? ध्यान से सुनना है. Sit straight, everyone. Fold your hands. Fold your hands and sit straight. बस सीधा. Have a look on the board. So if somebody is asking you about yourself, कोई आपको बोलता है, tell me about yourself or myself. What you will do? First thing, you will tell about your name. Okay? Like whatever your name is. My name is Divya. So I will say my name is Divya. Okay? Then you will tell you are, what is your age? So you will say age. I am 4 years old. I am 3 years old. I am 5 years old. जो भी आपकी age है. First thing, what you will tell? Your name. Second thing, your age. Okay? Third thing, you will tell you are girl or a boy. Boy or a girl. Okay? Like I will say my name is Divya. I will tell my age. I will say I am a girl. Okay? Then I will tell I am in which class. So you are in LKG. So you will say I am in LKG class. Okay? You will tell your school name. School name. So you will say I study in the Poly Kids School. Okay? ये 5 बहुत important है. ये आपको बताना है. After this, you can also tell about your favorite color. You can tell about your favorite cartoon or your favorite food you like to eat. वो आप बता सकते हैं. ठीक है? But first, you have to tell your name. Okay? Just say, सब लोग बोलेंगे, Mama will listen. Tell what is your name. Tell my name is, जो भी आपका नाम है, सब बच्चे नाम बताओ अपना. Mama will listen. Don't unmute.
My name is Maisha.
Okay, just like that. Then
फिर
I
से
am that years
कोई
old.
नहीं है. बोलो. बोलो.
I am 4 years old. I am 5 years old. जो भी आपकी age है. Then I am a boy. Boy will say boy. Girls will say I am a girl. Okay. Then your class. I am in LKG class. Okay.
बोलो.
Then my school name is, or you will say I study in the Poly Kids School. And after this, you can tell your favorite. My favorite color is pink, blue, green, red, whatever you want to say. Okay? Clear? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. Okay? So this is about myself. जब कोई आपके बारे में पूछता है, okay, myself, you have to tell about yourself. Now, if I am asking you about your family, अगर मैं आपकी family के बारे में पूछूंगी, so you have to tell me about how many members are there, what is your father name, what is your mother name, okay, what job they are doing. This you will tell in my family. अगर आप family की बात करें. Okay? Any confusion? किसी को कुछ पूछना है? No? Okay, I'm showing you one worksheet. चलो, before that जल्दी से game खेलते हैं. You all will be telling me one time, okay? Name of a bird, any bird. So we are starting with Janvi. Janvi, any bird name?
बर्ड का नाम पता है ना? बता देना कोई भी बर्ड.
Okay, only just wait, everyone. Yes, Janvi. I can't hear, बच्चे. Little loud. No, I can't hear you.
Hummingbird.
Hummingbird. Okay, very good. Okay. Aradhya. Aradhya, your turn.
Mena. Cuckoo.
Only one. Okay, hummingbird and cuckoo we are taking. Saksham. Saksham. Saksham.
What?
Name of a bird. Only one. Crow. Okay, very good. Very good. Anaisha. That's it. Anaisha.
बोलो
Sparrow.
Sparrow. Okay, good. Samarth. Samarth. You're listening to me? Okay. Tavishi. Tell me, bache. Bird. Name of a bird.
Peacock.
Peacock. Very good. Manik. Loud.
Pigeon.
Pigeon. Very good. Kuhu Singh.
Parrot.
Parrot. Very good. Samarth. You want to answer, Samarth? He's busy playing. Okay. So, see. So many birds' name we have done. Sparrow, hummingbird, crow, pigeon, parrot, cuckoo. Okay. So, the peacock,
Possible.
crow. Yes. What?
Bulbul.
Bulbul. Okay. So, one. Now you will tell me the name of one animal. Okay. And one thing. When others are saying, जब दूसरे बच्चों की टर्न आती है, तो आप उन्हें सुनो. ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं कि अपना आंसर दिया and you are playing with something. Listen to other students also. Okay. So, Tavishi, we are starting with you. Name of one animal.
जिराफ बोलो
Monkey.
Loudly,
Monkey.
बच्चे. Loudly.
तेज से बोलो
Lion.
Lion. Okay. Saksham. Saksham.
अब बताओ कोई वर्ड नहीं लायन तो बता दिया दूसरा बताओ
Lion is done.
लायन तो हो गया दूसरा बताओ एनिमल नेम वाइल्ड एनिमल बताओ जल्दी
Any other animal? Any animal? Tiger. Very good. Okay. Anaisha.
बोलो
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Very good. Janvi.
Dog.
Dog. Okay, good. Manik.
Leopard.
Leopard. Good. Aradhya.
Elephant.
Elephant. Very good. Kuhu Singh. I can't hear you, bache.
दूसरा बताओ कोई बताओ Deer.
Deer. Okay, good. So see, who is asking? Samar.
जा भाग जा
Okay. So see, when we are listening to others, जब हम दूसरों को सुनते हैं, तो हमें और new names पता चलते हैं. Okay. So birds we have done, animals we have done. Okay. Now I am showing you one worksheet and we will do that. Just wait. Okay. So this is a worksheet of body parts. Okay. Like we have done, I'm showing you. So if we talk from the starting. So these are the hairs. Okay. Hair will come on the top. You can touch your body part also. Whichever I'm putting. Just show me your body part. Hairs. Okay. Second is eyes. Eyes. Third, ear. Ear. Nose. Nose. Neck. Neck. You all can touch your body parts also. Mama or Papa will check. Okay. Mouth. Mouth. Hand. Hand. Okay. Sorry. 1 second. Hand. This is hand. Okay. Hand. And what is this? What is this? This is arm. This is arm. Okay. Then leg. 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 Okay. And then last is foot. Foot. Foot is
देखो वहाँ देखो
okay. So we have done hair, ear, eyes, nose, neck, mouth, arm, hand, leg and foot. Very good. So these are the body parts. ये हमने body parts किए हैं, ठीक है? Sense organ अलग होते हैं. Don't get confused between the two. दोनों के बीच में confuse नहीं होना. चलो, one more worksheet I'm sharing. Okay. So, if I need to watch TV, which sense organ I will use? Eyes. You can touch that sense organ. You can touch. I will see. Eyes. Very good. If we are watching TV, we will need our eyes. Very good. Okay. Now, if I need to smell this lovely flower, nose. Very good. Nose. Okay. Okay. If I need to taste this yummy ice cream, tongue. Very good. Tongue help us to taste. Very good. Okay. If I am playing the drum, अगर मैं drum play कर रही हूँ, which organ will help you to hear? Listen. किस organ की help से आप सुनोगे drum को?
Yes.
Ear. Very good. Don't get confused between hand or ear because we will be listening the drum. अगर कहीं पे drum बज रहा है, we listen and we listen with the help of our ears. Okay? Clear everyone? Any confusion? Any confusion? No. Fine. Good. Just wait. I'll see if I'll have one more worksheet for you. Okay, so that's it. Now we will revise about myself also one time. And See, now if we are talking about myself, अगर आपको अपने बारे में बताना है, like this, in the first line you will tell your name, whatever your name is. My name is dash. I am a girl or a boy. If you are a boy, you will say boy. Now you will tell your age. I am 5 years old. Okay. I study in LKG class. Okay. My school name is the Poly Kids School. And you can also tell where do you live. You live in Dehradun. Okay. You can also tell your favorite color. Now, if we are talking about a boy, you will tell my name is this. I am a boy. I am 5-year-old. I study in LKG class. My school name is this. And I live in Dehradun. Clear with this? Clear about myself? And if you are talking about my family, अगर आप family के बारे में बता रहे हो, in that you have to tell the name of your father, name of your mother, okay? And whatever work they are doing. If your father is working in an office, okay, so you will say my father goes to office. If your mother is a teacher or a doctor or anything, okay, you will tell about whatever job they are doing. आप उनकी job भी बताओ. Clear? Yes? Fine. Sense organs clear? Body parts? Animal names? Birds names? Good. Nice. So one more time, body part we are doing. One by one, you will tell me the body part. Jaldi karenge, okay? We have 2 minutes. Starting with Janvi. Janvi, tell me any body part. Jaldi.
Hand.
Hand. Okay. And Aisha.
बोलो Yes, yes.
Ears.
Ears. Very good. Samar. Samar, fast बच्चे. Any body part.
इधर आके बोलो बोलो
Nose. Okay. Tavishi.
Legs.
Legs. Good. Saksham. Loud बच्चे. Hands हो गया. Hands हो गया. सुनना है बाकी बच्चे भी क्या बोल रहे हैं. जल्दी. Fast.
नहीं
What? I can't hear you.
ये बोलो बोलो
No, बच्चे, I can't hear you.
Knee.
Knees. Okay, okay, okay. Knees. Yes. Who sing fast?
बताओ. Stomach. Speak loud.
Stomach. Manik. Okay, good. Stomach. Manik.
Arm.
Arm. Okay, good. So, one by one, you have said many body parts. Do revise this after the class. Class end होने वाली है. After the class, थोड़ा सा revision करना है. Okay. So that was all for today.